Respected President of this inaugural function, Professor Sabita Acharya, former Vice Chancellor Utkal University, respected Chief Guest of this inaugural function, Honorable former Foreign Secretary Ambassador Lalit Mansingh ji, Honorable Guest of Honor Shri Sanjeev Kumar Mishra, Principal Secretary, Language, Literature, Culture and SC/ST Development Department, Government of Odisha, and theme presenter of this inaugural ceremony of the 3rd ICISH International Conference on Kalinga Southeast Asia, Professor Patita Pawan Mishra, Chairman, One Asia Foundation. I feel honored and privileged to welcome the scholars from Indonesia, Bali, Malaysia, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Germany and Nepal to this 3rd ICISH, to this inaugural function. I welcome you all to the land of Lord Jagannath with the philosophy of Athithi Deva Bhava. I feel honored and privileged to welcome academicians, scholars from different universities, institutions, policymakers and researchers, media friends and ladies and gentlemen to this inaugural session. I also welcome Shri Devaprasad Das, Special Secretary, Odia Language, Literature and Culture Department, Government of Odisha, who strongly supported this 3rd International Conference on Kalinga and Southeast Asia, monitor properly for the success happening of this event. We welcome you, sir, to this inaugural function. I also welcome Professor Prabhat Kumar Mahapatra, Director, Puri Sadasiv Campus, Sanskrit University, because the Central Sanskrit University, New Delhi, is our knowledge partner. I also welcome scholars from the Manipur Central University. The Manipur Central University Department of Southeast Asian Studies is the knowledge partner of this department. I also welcome Professor Ujjwala Khuteji, and their organization is also the knowledge partner of this organization. Friends, regarding the introduction of our guest and the chief guest of this program is Lalit Mansingh. He is the son of the soil, and Lalit Mansingh is a very popular name and he needs no introduction. Former Ambassador, Mansingh has served as Indian Foreign Secretary, Ambassador to United States and High Commissioner to the United Kingdom. He has also been Ambassador to United Arab Emirates, and he served during his tenure in various capacities. And Mansingh is the founder or chairman of Kalinga International Foundation, a think tank with focus on India's relations with South Asian neighbors and with the wider Indo-Pacific regions. Shri Mansingh has worked rigorously regarding the Kalinga, its role and its contribution, particularly in the Southeast Asian countries. Earlier he had organized similar international conference here in Bhubaneswar, inviting scholars across the globe to Bhubaneswar. We are very happy and we are very thankful to you, sir. We welcome you to this inaugural session. We have with us today the Professor Sabita Acharya. Yesterday only she superannuated from the Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, Professor Sabita Acharya, very popular academicians across the country, very nationally acclaimed professional academician. And Professor Sabita Acharya is a known anthropologist and expert in social and cultural anthropology who holds the Commonwealth Postdoctoral Fellowship Award. During her tenure, particularly I can tell for during her tenure as the Vice Chancellor of the Utkal University, Madam supported, guided us to organize the international conference, particularly this third edition of this ICICH on the theme Kalinga and Southeast Asia. Her support, cooperation, guidance help us to organize this third international conference here in Bhubaneswar, inviting scholars across the globe. Madam, we are very thankful and grateful to you for your kind support and cooperation to make this event happen in the Bhubaneswar. We welcome you to this inaugural function. We are very happy and privileged to welcome Sri Sanjeev Kumar Mishra, the Principal Secretary, Odia Language, Literature and Culture Department, Government of Odisha. Sri Mishra is a 97 batch IS officer. Sri Mishra currently is the Secretary OL&C Department along with ST and SC Development, Minority and Backward Classes Welfare Department. Sri Mishra was given additional charge of Principal Secretary to the Social Security and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, and he previously served as the Secretary cum Controller of Examination for the National Recruitment Agency. During his tenure, he had made a lot of reformative works in the National Recruitment Agency. Before that, he was the officer on special duty for the Industries Department and the Resident Commissioner of Odisha, New Delhi. Sri Mishra is an honest and hard-working and efficient bureaucrat. Sir, we welcome you to this inaugural function. I welcome Professor Patita Bar Mishra, who is a mentor of this international conference, very popular historian, Professor Patita Bar Mishra. Currently, he is the chairman One Asia Foundation here in Bhubaneswar. Sir, we welcome you to the inaugural session. Friends, as you all know, Kalinga's maritime activities and cultural relations with outside world highlight its role as a pioneer of global connectivity during ancient and medieval periods through trades, cultural ties, arts and the diplomacy. Kalinga bridged the civilizations and left indelible mark on the cultural landscape of Southeast Asia and beyond. The third international conference on Indian cultural heritage with the theme Kalinga Southeast Asia Civilizational Linkage will highlight the ancient trade routes and trade practices and deep multilateral ties between Kalinga and many Southeast Asian countries. And we have 4 plenary sessions and 1 panel discussion. As for we have circulated the themes and sub-themes, the invited scholars and the researchers, they will deliberate these deep-rooted things with the Kalinga and the Southeast Asia. Friends, when we celebrate this Kartika Purnima, when we have this Boita Bandhan, we used to recall the past glory of our Sadhavas, what they had did during that time with Kalinga, with the trade, with the Southeast Asian countries. And the whole purpose of this international conference inviting scholars, our government is putting lot of effort to put Bali Jatra in World Intangible Heritage Fair site, and they are in the proper process, government is in proper process, and I request all the scholars and the outcome and the suggestions of this, recommendations of this conference definitely will help our government to take forward this movement with the UNESCO and the Government of India, the Sangeet Natak Academy, to have an meaningful things to declare Bali Jatra as the intangible World Heritage Affairs. And I also request our scholars during this 2 days deliberation, they will suggest this thing, how we can go ahead. And during our discussion, our honorable guest of honor, our principal secretary, he will focus how, to what extent our state government is planning to carry forward these things. And we are very thankful to our present government who are very keen regarding this Udiya Asmita, and as part of this Udiya Asmita, the entire system is working to have more dialogues and deliberations and to more work on this preserving the Udiya Asmita. And the present government, they have come out with certain resolutions after the findings and the suggestions of this conference, how that thing will be properly executed. Our principal secretary will highlight that part, the decisions of the state government. With these words, again I welcome you all to this 3rd International Conference on Kalinga and Southeast Asia. I hope the scholars, those are from outside the country, and scholars, those are outside from our state, they all will enjoy their stay here in Bhubaneswar, the temple city of Bhubaneswar. The Odisha is the land of Lord Jagannath. I hope you all will enjoy, and we will leave Odisha with a lot of sweet memories when we will have our 4th edition